Hello friends, this is Mike from Tribefinder and welcome to the course entitled Make a Beautiful Facebook Live. Now, before we get started, since this course involves the concept of videography, I wanted to lay down a few ground rules on how we are going to approach the information in this course. First, video can be very frustrating and intimidating. Much like the concept of graphic design, there's tons of info out there. There's so much info that it can be very intimidating solely for the reason that we just don't know where to start learning. So for this course, all we're assuming is that you know how to go live on Facebook with your webcam. That's really the only prerequisite, in a sense, for this course. The next rule I want to instill in your mind is that you can achieve great results without a huge budget. In fact, at the end of this course, I'm going to show you a shot from a $50,000 camera and a shot from around a $500 camera. They're virtually identical. It will blow your mind. And then you'll probably be able to use stuff you already have to achieve the great results that we're going to be teaching you how to get in this course. Before we go directly into what this course is about, I wanted to explain one more thing. The catalyst for me creating this course was that I saw so many Facebook Lives being done. They were good, but I saw two things that could have been done differently and would cause a huge positive change in the quality of lives. And this was from anything from personal friends' lives to business pages' lives that I watched. There was a lot of things I saw, and these were really the two easiest things that could have been changed to make a better result or to make those lives just that much better. It's kind of the lowest hanging fruit, and that's really going to be the heart of this course. So there's two simple concepts here that can achieve great results fast. Concept one, what we're going to be teaching, is about camera angles. Some of the things we're going to be going over are what are high angle, low angle, and eye level camera angles, and what emotions and effects do these angles convey. Concept two is something called 3-point lighting. I'm going to be teaching you the basics of what's called 3-point lighting, which is an industry standard lighting technique. We're going to be teaching you what is backlight, key light, and fill light. And can you use the gear you already have?